Just grab it! 5
okay,
ticks!
here's a piece of cake,
True.
Jack. All we have to do is take the kid down the street to the giant metal alien.
Oh, we surrender. Here, take the key to the city. Key to my car. Tic-tac.
I got it.
Forget plan A.
Okay, what now, son?
Thanks, Charmers.
We make Wanda happy. Hey, we helped somebody, just like my mom does. Or just like the Enchantress. Let's go help some more Charmvillers. Is something wrong, Wanda?
No one comes by anymore to make sparkle wishes. I really miss that. So, guess it's back to swimming alone in my little pond.
You know, maybe Wanda can help us help others. We'll find Charmvillers who want wishes, and Wanda can grant them. Idea!
Ooh, I could turn my fabulous spring fashions into ice fashions.
I can donate all the winter fashions you helped me make for my Icy Skites commercial.
Wow, it'll totally work.
Oh, this is gonna be great. But the regatta. Yeah, there's no way to sail our boats on the ice.
No, there's a way. If we borrow some of your icy skites.
Oh, like how Barrykin Bruce and I cleverly combined our shows, we could also combine the regatta.
I could write this song all by myself, sing it solo with no one else. But that would be lonely, it's true. Everything is better with you.
Turn around. Go back to town hall. Don't vaporize us. You want me to do what? Run, just do it. It'll work. I'll survive. I will survive? Break, Abby!
Okay.
For it! Deploy ladder, bitch! I'll survive! I will survive! Hey!
Plan D! Yeah! Eyes hurting, drumsticks burning, but loving you. Full support. I can't get out. Come back, son. We can't go out this way. It's too dangerous.
No, Dad, I can do this.
Too dangerous.
I can do this. I can. You gotta believe me this time.
I do, son.
Okay, hang on tight.
Yes!
Here's your kid! Look over here! Here's your kid! He's okay!
I don't know.
He's alright! Stop the invasion!
I'm here, son.
Dad, look out!
Get away from my boy!
And gone. And come back again. This time, no one knew how long it would stay. But this time, it didn't matter. Everyone had found that wintertime or springtime, they could always find a way to have fun together. And in Very Goody City, every season had its own
and I should know.
Release the child.
We'll be just like real enchantresses. Liking it and looking good doing it.
I'd love to help. Oh, how are you going to get me all around Chartville to grant wishes? I'm sort of stuck in this box.
Get ready, Wanda. Lavender, a little bubble magic, please. 1,